Hey guys, welcome to the Vanity Mirror. Today's episode of the Vanity Mirror, I'm going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix. I just finished filming the First Impressions Full Face of Flower Beauty. If you are interested in seeing that video, I will link it down below. If you think anything on my look is a little bit wonky, there are a couple things I didn't like about it. So you can find out what that was by watching the link down below. Also in that video, I did a pretty decent long update on my Halo Beauty journey, taking the supplements. I'm a week in, so you can also check that out in that video at the very beginning. So that'll be linked down below for you guys. So today, we're unboxing my Stitch Fix. Why don't we just go ahead and jump right into that? What do we say? What do we say? So Stitch Fix is great, $20 a box. You can choose how often you want to get boxes, which I think is really cool. And they give you like suggestions of how to wear the outfits and stuff. I think that's really fun. After I open everything in the box, I will be doing a try on for you guys so you can see how everything looked on me. So the first thing I notice is this right here, which looks like it's probably jewelry because that does happen. How cute is this? I don't know what it is. I love the Stitch Fix logo. We have a couple earrings here. Ooh, they're really cute too. Yeah, those are cute. I like them. So I don't try on earrings unless I decide I want them, and I probably won't get them, to be honest. I'm just not a huge fan of jewelry, and if I see something in here that I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have that, then I could probably find it elsewhere. So those earrings are $28. So if I decided I wanted to keep them, it would only be $8 because the price of the box is taken out of it. However, I'm really not digging the fact that I could easily just like ruin them and completely destroy them by squishing these because these are so cheap. That's another thing. I mean, I don't mean to be rude, but I could probably easily make these myself. Oh my, somebody wanted me to get into patterns. So the first thing in the box is this very intense shirt. Way outside my comfort zone here. This like paisley shirt here, orangey, pinks, blues. Perfect style, perfect for work. Intense, it's intense. Is she intense? They really wanted me to try out some patterns this month, I tell you. Here is the next shirt. It's one of those like super boxy, exotic looking, and it's kind of a boxy shirt, but it's probably meant to be super flowy, and I'm definitely gonna just keep an open mind trying it on, but again, just these patterns are very much. They're very much. We have a very like bright, it looks like dark and bright. It's very hard to explain. It looks like these blue stripes are like electric. Like, oh, it's a cardigan. What is this? I'm so confused. So it's like a sweater, like a cardigan sweater. It's just weirdly shaped. Okay, we'll give it a try and see how it looks. It's just a little weird, but that's okay. Weird can be a good thing. Let's see what's last in the box, and then we will go ahead and try everything on. The last thing looks a little bit more up my alley so far. What the heck is this? Oh, it's like it's another cardigan. Okay. I told them to send some cardigans my way, like long sweater cardigans, and they definitely listened, because this is another one. Not sure I'm digging this part. Hello. There's a place So here's what she looks like. I love the color and the style. I'm not sure how I feel about that whole like silk thing going on, but we will give it a try. So why don't we go ahead and get into our try on of everything here. Again, I'm not trying on the earrings, but let's go ahead and do that. Audio Jungle. we are at the end. So oddly enough, this blue sweater was probably my favorite for the fit, I guess, and the colors. I like this like straight long sleeve, tight to the arm sleeve type thing, but I noticed a common theme throughout these shirts. Maybe not all of them, but a lot of them. Did you notice it too? Like birds, right? Like I could fly. Like I felt like I was gonna take off in flight in most of those shirts. I honestly am the most disappointed I've been with a box since I started getting Stitch Fix. So this is probably my least favorite Stitch Fix that I've ever gotten. And you know what? That's okay. That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop or anything. It just wasn't not my thing. Like I didn't really like anything. And that never really happens. More than often, I like too many things in the box, and it's disappointing because I don't want to buy everything in the box. But this time it was like total flop for me. I did not enjoy this box. And I'm not saying that this stuff couldn't work for other people, just for me, just not my thing. I even said on my profile to please avoid prints, because I'm not a fan of prints. Did you see? Did you see the prints? I saw the prints. I saw them all over the place. So I'm probably not going to be getting anything in the box this month, but that's okay. Sometimes it happens. I guess that's it for this month's Stitch Fix unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe by hitting the tempting red button right down there below my video, and I will see you later. Get over here. Get over here. Everything. Well, not towards, but like after I get, let's see what, you know? And I will see you later.